So welcome back. So this is going to be a little bit of a different video. I know the surroundings ain't, but it's this back recording. But in this video, I'm just about to embark on I think it's a 4-week break, where I literally have to force myself not to look for the spirit world or ask the spirit world or move my mind whatsoever towards the spirit world. I need recharging, and I need to get myself ready for the year ahead. And I used to always panic at this point when it was coming up. I'd have a level of anxiety that would come up for this time of year. Because what if it don't work? What if I come back from a break and I haven't looked for the spirit world, and the first time I look for it's on stage at my first event of 2020? What if I lose my mediumship? And so if I thought that, then someone else must have thought that, and I just thought this would be a perfect opportunity to talk about it in this video. So we do have to understand how mediumship works. People are of the opinion that it can be lost or it can't be found, and it very much is an act of consciousness. Once that door is opened, it's opened. And so people will say, well, if you're doing wrong with mediumship, Charlie, then the spirit world will take it away. And I have to disagree with that. Simply because my conscious awareness is there, and my guides will absolutely not leave me. They love me more than anything else in the world, and that's the same for you. It is pure essence love. And they will constantly try and guide me away from doing things wrong, or give me direction away from making mistakes, but they can't force the issue. They can only guide me or encourage me in different avenues. So I know they won't leave me, whether it's being done rightfully or wrongfully. But I believe that I do everything from a purity and trying to educate and show people that there is a spirit world. So they are absolutely not going anywhere. They have a working voice that's working for them tirelessly throughout the year. So they're not going anywhere. So it is a conscious thing. Once the door is opened, it's opened. So then we fall into the realms of our own confidence. I've done many videos recently on the power of mind, the power of intent, and self-confidence. And so we have to go through that wave of, we're going to go through that anxiety, or, oh my God, I haven't done this for 4 or 5 weeks. I'm going to be well rusty. And you may well be rusty. It's like anything that you do. You have to be mindful for the first one, maybe for the second one, but then you go, oh yeah, I remember how to do this, and then the ball's rolling again. So I just wanted to bring it up for this video, because we're entering a Christmas period, and you're not to feel bad that you're not working as hard or anything like that. I have a nice idea where my team get to go on a vacation or something like that. I know that's not the case, but makes me feel better inside my head. And they're looking forward to their break as much as I'm looking forward to mine. And that's what I build within my mind to make me feel better. That's all that is, really. So it's not going anywhere. It is something that you have opened. It's a doorway. It's an understanding, and like anything, it's very hard to revert back on anything that we've done in the physical when we have a new insight or new information or new knowledge. It's very hard to go back to the old way of thinking, but probably impossible to go back to the old way of thinking. So with that, it's kind of like you can't lose your mediumship. Enjoy your breaks. And it will be ready and waiting, and even better, you'll be fully charged and ready to go. And that's exactly how I'll be setting my mind up for the beginning of the year. So I just wanted to share that one with you, because it was something that I panicked about for a good chunk of my development, and so someone else must be thinking that. So hopefully if you take something from this, like it if you liked it. Get in the comments if you've ever worried about losing your mediumship, or what you've heard about mediumship and it being lost or taken away. Get it in the comments. Subscribe if you aren't already, and click that notification bell to be notified of any upcoming videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.